Hello guys, in this video I'm going to review iPhone 11 screen protector and also I'm going to review its case designed by Casekoo. What's going on? My name is Ibrahim, which is iPhone 11 screen protector and also its case. So I'm going to review this product right now. I'm going to show you its features. Wow, I love the Casekoo package, its product. I love this product. It got two envelopes. Yeah, you can see it got a plastic right here. Which you're gonna know what it's used for, and also you can see it got this as well. And yeah, you can see it's got instruction manual which you can use to use this product. And as well, we're gonna take this other packet right here. Yeah, it comes with a case. Yeah, so this is its case and it's kind of transparent. I love this. Yeah, I love this case. It's transparent actually. I love it. It's gonna show the logo of the phone. And yeah, this is actually strong. Yeah, it's transparent. I love this. Now I'm gonna open this envelope right here. Wow, this is the case. And yeah, it got the wipe as well. It got a wet wipe as well. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna change mine right here. Yes, I'm gonna remove the old one and put the new one. You can see it got dust absorber right here, and you can see this is the wet wipe which you can use to wipe your phone before putting on this screen protector right here. So I'm gonna wipe this first. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this wet wipe to wipe the screen of the phone. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this dry wipe as well in order to dry up this. You have to make sure you clean the screen properly, and yeah, if there is a dust you have to use this to absorb the dust. So yeah, I'm gonna do is just like this. Yeah, so we are done here. Then you have to put this in order to guard the screen when you're putting the screen guard. So this is the screen protector right here. Yeah, I love this. It's actually strong and it's okay. I love this. It's tough. Now you can see it got a sticker right here which you're gonna peel off. Now you can see it got a sticker right here which you're gonna peel off in order to put this on the screen. You have to make sure it's actually aligned to the screen. And yeah, this is the use of this plastic right here. It's protect the screen in order for you to put it accordingly. The next one to do is use this as well in order to remove this air bubble right here. Yeah, so you can see it actually removing any air bubble around the screen. I love this. Comes with a full package. Casekoo really did a great work right here. Yeah, I tried to remove every air bubble, but it got some right here which are too tiny to get rid of. Yeah, so you don't have to use force in this air bubble. Just leave it that way so as not to spoil your screen. Yeah, so you can see it's done right here. You can see it's actually done. Yeah, you can see it's perfect. Yeah, here comes the case. I love this case. Yep. So I'm gonna put this right here. Wow. It's actually very portable. I love this grip. You see, it's really portable, and it doesn't seem to be too big. Unlike this, I love this. It's actually transparent. It shows the color of your phone. I love this case. You can see the hole right here for the camera, and yeah, you can see the hole which you can plug your phone, and yeah, you can see these holes as well for speaker. I love this. Yeah, you can see this button right here. It's not really strong, and yeah, you can see it's two buttons right here. You can see the hole right here as well, which you can put this button right here. It's actually very good, and yeah, it's okay. I love this case, and yeah, I love this screen. It's unlike this is kind of slippery, and this is very strong. Casekoo really did a great job right here. I love this case, and as well I love the screen protector. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description below where you can get yours. So question of the day, tell me what you feel about this product, which I would like you to crop yours right now. My next video.